going to teach you exactly how to do this, which is one of the easiest methods to make money online in 2021. The best part is it's absolutely for free and requires no investment, no experience, and it's also available from anywhere around the world. You'll be one of the first to use it and make the most money, only if you stick with me and watch till the end of the video. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel where I'll be teaching you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the like button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. First steps to get on your phone. Step number 2, watch short video just by pressing the play button. Step number 3, you'll be paid actual money directly into your account. It is as simple as that, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. I want you to stop what you're doing and look at these payments. As you can see, there's a lot of individuals are getting paid every single day, and there's a lot of payment method out there. You can get paid by PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoin and many others. They're getting paid every single day. They're earning a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos. How simple is that? And this website is so open about how much people are getting paid. It's very easy. I'm going to show you the effective method to double your earnings, even triple your earning. Make sure you keep watching this video and pay close attention to this. The best thing is you can earn real money from this, and you can start right away this after watching this video. I want you to go visit this website. It's called followfast.com, where you can get paid just by viewing videos online. As you can see, this website has a tons of options out there. Click on join button here so as you can sign up for this. Once you do that, it's going to look like this, and you're going to sign up for this website so you can start earning money today. So I want you to go create a username here, put your email over here, and also create a password. Once you confirm your password, you can move on to the next one, and you don't have to put your location here because this website can detect your location. And also referral, you don't have to put anything over here, and simply put the captcha down here, put this number, and then click on join. Once you sign up, it's going to look like this, and you'll see a tons of options to make money from. Today we're going to earn money just by viewing YouTube videos. As you can see, there's YouTube likes, dislikes, subs, and I want you to click on YouTube plays. Once you do that, it's going to look like this. But what you have to do is you have to basically play a YouTube video so you can earn points and make money off that. So I want you to simply click on play. As you can see here, this is going to play a video over here. I'm going to mute this video. You do not have to watch the whole video. This is basically an ad. So I'm going to skip this and play the video for 35 seconds. And you don't have to watch the video. You can even pause the video, and this website will count up to 35 seconds so you can earn money off that. As you can see, the point is added to my balance. Now you can move on to another video. I'm going to show you a secret method that you can double your earnings, even triple your earning. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So as you can see, you don't even have to play the video. All you have to do is click on play and wait for 35 seconds. You can even pause the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to add many tabs as we want so we can double our earnings. You don't have to do this one by one. You can play as many videos as you want, as you do not have to watch the video. You can simply pause it and come back to this website, and while it counts down to 35 seconds, then you can move on to another video and click on play button. Points will be added to your balance, and you'll start to make money for that, so you can play as many videos as you want. And I'm going to show you another bonus you can do to double your earnings. I want you to click on daily bonus, and it's going to look like this. As you can see, it says get 100 daily points. What you have to do is you have to log in every day and watch at least 15 videos to get this, and you can earn a lot of money from that. Another method is you can earn free points every 25 hours. It will be added to your balance and you can withdraw your money. How simple is that? As you can see, my point is 110 now. That was very easy and fast. The question is, how are you going to withdraw your money from that? I want you to click on cash out. Once you do that, it's going to look like this. As you can see, I can withdraw money with Bitcoin and along with other methods as well. And it's very easy and effective way to make money online. You don't have to put any effort into this. All you have to do is watch the video. You can even pause it and wait up to 35 seconds, and you can add as many tabs as you want to double your earning. As you can see, the withdrawal is very easy. The minimum payout system would be $1.05 for PayPal, $1.05 for Bitcoin as well. So guys, this is the one of the easiest method to make money online, and you can start doing this right now. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, stay safe.